Door installation in Houston, Texas, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetics and security. Whether you need entry doors, patio doors, or custom doors, Houston Door Installation Services offer a wide range of options to suit your needs. From energy-efficient doors to storm doors, the choices are endless for those seeking quality replacement doors. Houston Solutions in Houston, Texas. For those in need of door replacement in Houston, Texas, expert services are available to address any issues with door frames, door hinges, and door locks. Houston door frame replacement and door hinge installation, Houston, are essential for maintaining the functionality and security of your doors. Door lock services Houston ensure that your home remains safe and secure. Entry doors are a focal point of any home, and custom entry doors Houston provide a unique touch to your property. With a variety of materials and designs, you can find the perfect entry door to complement your home's style. Houston Door Contractor Services can help you select and install the best door for your entryway. Patio doors are a popular choice for homeowners in Houston, offering a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Replacement doors Houston Services provide options such as sliding doors and French doors, which are both stylish and functional. Sliding door replacement Houston ensures that your patio doors operate smoothly and efficiently. French door installation Houston is a great way to add elegance and charm to your home. These doors are perfect for both interior and exterior applications, providing a classic look that never goes out of style. Houston Door Panel Installation Services can help you achieve the perfect French door setup. Energy-efficient doors Houston are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Weather stripping doors Houston and door seal installation Houston are additional services that enhance the energy efficiency of your doors. Storm doors are essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Houston Storm Door Services offer a variety of options to shield your entry doors from the elements. Security Door Installation Houston provides an added layer of protection, ensuring your home is safe from intruders. Interior Replacement Doors Houston is a simple way to update the look of your home. With a wide selection of styles and finishes, you can find the perfect interior doors to match your decor. Exterior Door Services Houston offer durable and stylish options for your home's exterior. Door Hardware Houston. TX is an important aspect of any door installation or replacement project. From doorknobs to door hinges, the right hardware can enhance the functionality and appearance of your doors. Houston Doorknob Replacement Services ensure that your doors operate smoothly and look great. Door Glass Replacement Houston is a specialized service for those with damaged or broken door glass. Whether it's a small crack or a shattered pane, professional replacement services can restore your door's appearance and functionality. Door Threshold Services Houston ensure that your doors are properly sealed and aligned.